Huh. Hey guys, so here's another vlog. I honestly don't know how many days we're here now. I think it's day 8 of being here in Korea, and right now we are at Dongdaemun. It's a tourist area for shopping and it's raining. It's a rainy day. So we're trying to go to Duta Mall. It's a duty free. Here's Chris. It's raining hard. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be taking you to the high-end stores of Dongdaemun up to the low-end like Green Hills, Changi-like, and Divisoria-like stores here in Dongdaemun. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, makeup. K-beauty. I have one too many, so not really buying any. So we are on the way to the flea market, which is just around Duta. Sandali lang kami sa Duta kasi we've been there. I've already been there. And wala na rin akong bibilihin doon. And parang may commotion kanina. But anyway, there were a lot of Chinese tourists. Dito nagsha-shopping yung mga foreigner, mga Chinese. Dito sila nag-wawalas ng datung. But we are on the way to the other building. Para Changi area naman. Because we've been shopping sa malls. And we've bought whatever we needed from the mall. So we now want to check like the cheaper area here. It's raining. It's so wet. So here we are. That's Chris. We are here at Hyundai City Center. Ta-da! Hindi rin siya Changi. Mall din. And we find Daiso again. So far, my favorite shopping space is Daiso. So the stocks here in Daiso, Korea is very, very different from what we have in the Philippines. Sobrang mas maraming cute stuff. This is like the 5th Daiso I've been to. All $1. I cross-checked some of the snacks here versus the grocery. Mas mura dito sa Daiso. So I'm here at the Disney section. Usually, iba-iba sila ng stocks. Like kahit meron mga pareho, there are items na wala sa ibang outlets. Like in this Daiso, I noticed wala silang pet area and Marvel area.
Ito hindi na? Luggage cover?
No. Hello. So we are at the Divisoria area. Yes. We have buttons, zippers, iron-ons, patch, pins. So this is Korea's Divisoria. It's called Pyeonghwa Fashion Plaza. Okay, so we finally found the Changi of Korea. It's just the building next to Hyundai Outlet City. And dito yung mga makers na suit sets. Kasi gusto niyang bumili ng suit set again. It's not interesting for me because these are the things that I that I can also find in 168. So I also see tourists here, Caucasians, Asians, East Asians, everybody shopping. So this Armani is $160. No, I think, sorry, ito pala. Itong Gucci pala yung $160. Negotiating skills. Ayan, sa totoo lang mas shoppingero pa si Chris kaysa sa akin. He closed the deal at 5K per set. So it's a set of suits. Dalawang set po niya. Ayan siya. Namimili pa siya. Mas marami siyang shinapin sa akin sa totoo lang. So yan ang mga napili niya. Dalawa lang. He's in the changing room. Alright, so I'll end the vlog right now. Basically, Chris's mall, his favorite mall is Migliore. And it's the one beside Duta Mall. Right beside it. Ang layo pa na inikot namin. Because it's also near the station. So ngayon, pabalik na kami. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. This wraps up my Korea 2019 trip. Last August to September, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!